Let's see if this will work. Today we're going to show you how to properly thread Teflon tape in the correct direction on a threaded fitting. Because if you thread the Teflon tape on in reverse, it will try to peel off inside the female side of the fitting you're threading it into. And then a lot of people compensate by over tightening the fitting because their Teflon's trying to peel off and not sealing the threads like it's supposed to. So, oh, my finger's in the way. So, the next video, we got a 1/4 inch iron pipe to quick disconnect for a compressor, and we're going to put a new air chuck on and show you how to thread Teflon. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, so here we're going to thread in a 1/4 inch adapter for our compressor and put an air chuck on. My air chuck just went bad, so got a new one. And so how I always remember how to do Teflon tape is, I'm right-handed, so you hold the roll where it comes off upside down, not over the top. You hold your fitting in your right hand and you rotate it like this. That's how you're gonna thread it into this fitting, right? Oh, and I guess we can check, make sure it's gonna work. All right. And then this is this blue monster. It's pretty thick, but you got to get a good hold on it till you get that first wrap. All right, now you can let go. So we got 1, 2, 3. That's all you need. You want to keep it back off the edge. Only little pieces of Teflon getting down towards whatever you're pumping up. Right, I'm gonna hand thread together first. And hold the big part with my pliers. In the opposite direction, I'm going to be tightening. So we're tightening clockwise. I want to have force going against that. I'll snug this in with my crescent wrench. And just nice and snug. You don't want to go crazy. That's how you do Teflon. Thank you for watching. Alright, good afternoon. Today we're going to show you how to put wrap Teflon tape on a threaded fitting. And today, let me switch. Alright, let me pause this. Okay, it won't let me switch right now, so I'll make this a clip, and then we'll flip the camera around and show you what we're doing with Teflon tape. Hold on.